Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Backup and Reset and tap on Reset Phone. Here we've got the option we're looking for, so reset all settings. Let's tap on it. We have to confirm everything with our screen lock and tap on reset to confirm. Be aware, because this operation cannot be undone. Tap on reset and now simply wait until the operation will be finished. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.